Kumusta po?
Yes, I'm here. Ano naman ako? Crowd Relations Officer.
Mahirap talaga maliit.
Okay naman, he is doing well. And he is happy to know that he is continuing to receive the love and support from the Filipino communities from all over the world. And he is happy to see us, his family.
Medyo matagal po kayo ngayon.
Merong pong mga situation sa loob na it's beyond our control. Doon lang siya sa loob ng mga ano. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside, yes.
Maybe this is the first time na kompleto kayo, si Miss Hanelet, si Kitty, kayo po. How has this uplifted the spirit of your father?
Well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Patay! Nag-blush!
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bibi, Marlika po.
Yes, mama.
Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Wow!
And then Kitty, ikaw na magsabi.
Well, yung mga
Na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi ata ready.
Ano sabi ng daddy?
So ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. And ayun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Nice.
May advice pa siya sa'yo?
Secret mo. May mga bilin siya.
Boyfriend.
May mga bilin siya, pero sa sunod na.
Secret mo lang.